Hey there! Are you looking for the best power stations to keep your home, RV, or adventures fully powered? In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best power stations, ranked from great to unbeatable, so you can find the perfect one to match your energy needs. Links to all products are in the description. Starting off at number 5, the DJI Power 1000. The DJI Power 1000 is sleek, silent, and reliable, making it an excellent choice for tech lovers and travelers. With 1,024 watt-hours capacity and a 2,200 watt output, it easily powers laptops, cameras, and even drones. Its dual 140 watt USB-C ports are perfect for high-power devices like MacBooks and gaming laptops. Recharging is incredibly fast, reaching 80% in just 50 minutes. At only 23 decibels, it operates quieter than a whisper, ensuring peace in any setting. Built with a long-lasting lithium iron phosphate battery and backed by a 5-year warranty, the DJI Power 1000 is a premium yet portable solution for dependable everyday energy. At number 4, we have the Jackery Explorer 1000 V2. Compact and versatile, the Jackery Explorer 1000 V2 delivers dependable power on the go. With 1,070 watt-hours and 1,500 watts output, it can run appliances like fridges, cookers, and small AC units, making it perfect for camping or emergencies. What makes it stand out is its super fast charging, going from 0% to 100% in just 1 hour when using emergency mode. At under 24 pounds with a foldable handle, it's lightweight yet powerful. With multiple ports, including 100 watt USB-C, it charges all your devices with ease. Durable, efficient, and built to last 10 years. This power station is a reliable outdoor essential. At number 3, it's the Anker Solix C1000. The Anker Solix C1000 is built for power and speed. With a 1,056 watt-hour capacity and 2,400 watt surge pad technology, it runs 99% of household appliances without breaking a sweat. Need energy fast? Its ultra-fast charging feature reaches 80% in just 43 minutes, the quickest in its class. The included 200 watt solar panel delivers 1.5x higher conversion efficiency, capturing maximum sunlight wherever you are. Tough and weatherproof with IP67 protection, it withstands rain, dust, and heat with ease. Designed to last over 10 years with 3,000 plus cycles, the Solix C1000 is the ultimate portable choice for adventurers who demand reliable, fast power. Runner-up at number 2 is the Bluetti Elite 200 V2. The Bluetti Elite 200 V2 is a compact powerhouse built for long-term reliability. With 2,073 watt-hour capacity and 2,600 watt output, 5,200 watt peak. It powers up to 9 devices at once, keeping your essentials running wherever you are. Its auto-grade LFP battery boasts a 17-year lifespan, making it one of the most durable options available. Thanks to Turbo Boost technology, it charges to 80% in just 50 minutes, perfect when time is critical. The upgraded app gives you complete control and real-time insights. Whether camping, road tripping, or preparing for emergencies, the Bluetti Elite 200 V2 offers unmatched efficiency and peace of mind. And finally, the number 1 spot goes to the Ecoflow Delta Pro Ultra. For whole home backup and unbeatable energy security, the Ecoflow Delta Pro Ultra takes the crown. With an incredible 7,200 watt output, it powers even heavy-duty appliances like central AC units. Expandable up to 90 kilowatt hours, it can provide over 30 days of essential power for an average household. Unmatched reliability during outages. Charging is ultra-fast and versatile with options including solar, wall, EV chargers, and more. The foldable 400 watt solar panel is lightweight, portable, and waterproof, perfect for both emergencies and outdoor use. If you want the absolute best in power, scalability, and peace of mind, the Delta Pro Ultra is the ultimate choice. And there you have it, The top 5 best power stations, from compact portable solutions to the ultimate home backup system. Don't forget, links to all products are in the description below.